wonder, why does God care about everyday choices?
Great question. Now you are thinking like someone who really wants to grow. This is where the story gets interesting, because Haggai focuses on people becoming distracted and slowly losing focus on what truly mattered. Let's slow down and look carefully. The people were busy building comfortable lives while ignoring important spiritual priorities. This might surprise you. The brain naturally drifts toward easy comfort and short-term rewards when life becomes busy. Most people miss this part. Haggai is really about attention, focus, and what people slowly train themselves to value most. Here is the deeper layer. Everyday choices quietly shape habits, priorities, emotional patterns, and the direction of a person's future.
So, what does that actually mean?
1. This is where the story begins to unfold in a deeper way. Haggai describes people becoming distracted by personal comfort and daily routines. 2. Now we start to see what was really happening beneath the surface. Repeated distractions were slowly changing priorities and emotional focus. 3. This part is easy to skip, but it matters. Small neglected responsibilities slowly created larger spiritual and emotional problems over time. 4. Here is where growth quietly begins. People started rebuilding when they honestly recognized what had been drifting out of balance. 5. This connects directly to real life. Many people today still struggle balancing responsibilities, focus, relationships, and emotional health. 6. This is the layer that shapes character over time. Repeated daily choices slowly train the brain toward purpose or distraction.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes. First, your brain truly changes when you repeat small actions. Repeated habits slowly strengthen certain attention and behavior pathways. Second, this is how habits slowly become automatic. The brain learns patterns through repetition and reward. Third, emotions grow stronger the more we rehearse them. Distraction and impulsive behavior slowly weaken focus and emotional balance. Then, neural pathways begin firing faster and more efficiently. Discipline and thoughtful reflection slowly strengthen healthier thinking patterns. Next, repeated reactions shape identity without us noticing. People slowly become more purposeful or more distracted over time. Finally, what feels small today becomes powerful tomorrow. Tiny repeated habits quietly reshape the brain, priorities, and emotional health.
How does this show up in real life?
1. Think about how this shows up in school or work. People often become overwhelmed when distractions constantly interrupt focus. 2. Notice how emotions often react before logic. Stress and frustration can quickly weaken motivation and self-control. 3. Watch what happens when stress repeats daily. Emotional exhaustion slowly affects patience, focus, and wise decision-making. 4. Small habits quietly create bigger patterns. Repeated procrastination slowly increases stress and emotional pressure. 5. Modern life makes this even more visible. Phones, entertainment, and constant notifications often train the brain toward distraction.
So, small equals big?
Yes. First, small steps almost always look unimpressive at the beginning. Focus and discipline usually grow quietly. Second, repetition is what gives them strength. Daily thoughtful habits slowly build emotional stability and purpose. Third, steady practice builds quiet momentum. The brain slowly learns healthier attention and emotional patterns. Then, what once felt difficult becomes natural. Staying focused and consistent slowly becomes easier through practice. Lastly, consistency turns small faith into strong character. Just like tiny bricks slowly build a strong and steady house over time.
So, how do I start?
Step 1. Pause and notice what is actually happening inside you, especially during distraction or emotional stress. Step 2. Allow yourself to feel it without rushing. Emotional awareness helps the brain slow down and focus more clearly. Step 3. Choose one small action instead of waiting for a big feeling. Even one focused decision matters. Step 4. Reflect gently instead of criticizing yourself. Growth usually develops slowly through repeated practice. Step 5. Repeat tomorrow. Because growth loves consistency, small purposeful habits slowly strengthen wisdom and emotional resilience.
What should we do today?
1. Choose something simple, not dramatic. Spend 5 quiet minutes focusing fully on one important task today. 2. Start smaller than you think you need to, even one focused moment matters. 3. Observe your reactions carefully, notice when distractions begin pulling your attention away. 4. Adjust without quitting, emotional growth usually happens through repeated small choices. 5. Come back tomorrow and build again, small faithful habits slowly create stronger focus and emotional wisdom. Remember, strong focus and emotional stability usually grow slowly through small repeated choices each day. God cares deeply about daily habits and priorities because repeated actions slowly shape the brain, emotions, and future. Every small faithful and purposeful decision is helping your character, thinking, and emotional resilience grow stronger over time. If this sparked curiosity, share this video with someone you care about. Learning grows stronger together.
See you in the next episode.